What's up, you guys? I'm Maxie and welcome to your Class FitSugar workout. Today we have a 10-minute shadow boxing workout and you don't need any equipment. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, team, we're gonna start our workout by going over our stance. In boxing, it's so important to keep your stance and I wanna set you up for success. So first things first, if you are right-handed, take a big step back with your right foot. If you're left-handed, take a big step back with your left foot. I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna demo on the right side. From here, I want you to take a line, touch your front toe, draw it to your back heel. That's how far apart your legs should be. Have a soft bend in your knees, elbows up protecting your rib cage, and hands up protecting your moneymaker. That's your face. All right, so this is your stance. Go ahead and get comfortable. Give me a couple bounces back and forth. Now we're gonna go over the punches. There are 6 punches, and I'm gonna make it super easy for you to understand. Punch number 1, jab. Step into it, long and strong, straight down the middle. Bring it back to your face. Punch number 2, cross. Same thing, opposite side. You're twisting off your back toe, dropping your back knee, and rotating all the way through. Punch number 3, lead hook. Elbow as high as your shoulder. Punch number 4, rear hook. Punch number 5, lead uppercut right under your opponent's chin. And punch number 6, rear uppercut. So I know that was a lot of information, but let's go over it one more time. All 6 punches. Punch number 1, jab. Punch number 2, cross. Punch number 3, lead hook. Punch number 4, rear hook. Punch number 5, lead uppercut. And punch number 6, rear uppercut. So you're gonna hear me saying those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 throughout this 10-minute workout, and you're gonna catch on really quick. Let's run through all 6 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, this is supposed to be fun. Let's go ahead and bounce it out a little bit together, having our hands up by our face. We're gonna go through a warm-up. Remember, boxing starts from the ground up, so we're gonna be using our legs. Go ahead and meet me in squat stance. So feet right underneath your hips. You're gonna have your chest up, feet all the way flat. Let's go ahead and sit down in a chair, stand and squeeze. Exhaling your way up, pulling your hips through. We got about 15 more seconds of these, friends. We're just getting started, you guys. 10 minutes, even if you only have 10 minutes, it can totally make a difference in your day, right? In a few moments, we're gonna go into rotational twists, which is really important for boxing because it uses our hips. So stand up really tall, you're gonna twist and twist. All we're doing here is just warming up our hips because in boxing, you use your hips so much for power. So I want you to think about twisting your toes, rotating and completely facing the opposite direction. We got about 15 more seconds here. This is a great lower back warm up for anybody who sits at their desk all day, which I know is a lot of us. We got about 5 seconds. We're on to jumping jacks in 3, 2, and 1. Let's hit some jumping jacks, get the heart rate up. Right here, nice. If you need a modification, you can always go right here. Modifications, they're not you taking a break, it's just you knowing your body, right? So 15 more seconds here. Use your breath. It's gonna be a good day. And then right after this, you guys, we're gonna finish with 30-second mountain climbers. So we're gonna be in high plank position, hands right under our shoulders. In 3, 2, and 1, meet me down on the ground. Hands right under your shoulders. We can start with nice and slow ones. Driving your knees towards your chin. Keep using your breath. In about 15 seconds, we're gonna be on our feet, back in that boxing stance, getting ready to throw some hands, okay? We'll be off of this in 5, 4, 3, heart rate's coming up, 2, and 1. Meet me in your stance, you guys. Hands up. Our first combo is 1, 2, 3, 2, and then 2 jumping jacks. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, jumping jack. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 2, jumping jack. Now remember, you don't have to go as fast as me. I just want you to move, keep your hands up, and have fun. 1, 2, 3, 2, jumping jack. Ha, 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 jack. Nice, we're over halfway through it. Keep using your breath. Jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 2. As you get more confident, go a little bit faster. Why not, right? In about 10 seconds, we're transitioning to a new combo. We're just gonna be adding on 2 uppercuts. Let's go over it here, team. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, and then you're gonna hit a modified burpee. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, and then hit your modified burpee. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, modified burpee. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6. Are you guys getting a little tired yet? I am. 30 seconds, team. 5, 6. When you're doubting yourself, this is when it's important to remind yourself why you clicked play today, right? You could be doing a million other things, and somehow you found this link, and you're gonna finish this 10-minute class. One more time, you guys. Finish the burpee. And then we're going into a new combo. Meet me in your stance. Our next combo is 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll. And then you're gonna drop your butt, jump squat. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll. Drop your butt, jump squat. We're here for 2 minutes, team. So I want you to really find your flow, okay? 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll, jump, squat. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll, jump, squat. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll, bend and jump. 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll, jump, squat. Looking good, you guys. Make your punches a little bit sharper now that you know what you're doing. Whoo! 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll, drop the butt, get some air. If the jump squats don't feel good, you can always replace those for a regular squat. Do what you need to feel your best. We have less than a minute, team. Keep your hands up, keep rotating through your hips, and use your breath. 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll, drop the butt, jump, nice. Eyes on the prize, right? Drop the butt, jump. We have less than 40 seconds, team. Make it count. You know, a 10-minute workout, it may seem like a short amount of time, but it's still time that you are dedicating to yourself. So I want you to make every moment count. You have less than 20 seconds, you're almost there. Slip, 2, roll, jump, squat. Let's see if we can get at least 2 more reps in. Roll, jump, squat. One more, team. 1, 2, 3, 2, slip, 2, roll, jump, squat. Whew. All right, shake it out a little bit. We have a burnout round. I want you to get in your stance, hands up, tap out 1s and 2s for me, straight down the middle. In a few moments, we're gonna pick up the pace for 15 seconds. Keep bringing the hands to your face, keep rotating your hips. 3, 2, pick up the pace, 1s and 2s, go. Right here with you, team, right down the middle. Imagine what you're punching through right now. Get to the other side. 5, 4, we're gonna go into uppercuts. 3, 2, uppercuts nice and slow. Tap it up, catch your breath. Yeah, you should feel accomplished right now, especially if this is something you've never done before. You're doing it. In 5 seconds, we're gonna pick up the pace, taking us into our cool down. In 3, 2, pick up the pace, go, go, go. Right under your opponent's chin. A little faster, come on, right here with you. Less than 8 seconds, team. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knockout, you did it. You guys, we are gonna go through a quick cool down. You did so good. Shake out your arms. Pull your right arm across your chest. Go ahead and give your wrist a couple circles. Great job. Now let's switch sides, other arm. Whew, you can get a lot done in 10 minutes. Good, now shake out both arms. Let's go ahead and do a tricep stretch. So push back on your elbow and then get your lat involved, stretch. Yeah, a few more seconds here. Go ahead and switch sides, tricep stretch on the left. Push down and then get your lat involved, yes. Good, let's do a couple neck circles. So roll your neck 2 times in one direction. And then let's switch directions. One side's always a little bit harder than others, a little stiff. You guys, thanks so much for taking that 10-minute shadow boxing workout with me. Once again, my name is Maxie. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys next time at Class FitSugar.